Shop with us for a chance to win a $15 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. Hi guys, welcome to our monthly inspiration hop. We're sharing the July products today. Hop to each designer for a chance to win. You'll see different projects along the way using our July products. All you have to do is leave a comment on each channel, come back to the link in the description box to enter into the giveaway. I'll announce the winner on the community tab in 1 week. Today I'm sharing the Paper Pad Club and the Stamp and Die of the Month Club. For these two clubs, you can subscribe monthly to save 18%, or you can purchase them as a one-time purchase. I'm going to create 2 cards today using these adorable cupcakes. This is called Hello Cupcake. In your package, you'll receive the die on a magnetic sheet for easy storage. It does cut out all the sentiments and the images. I'm going to color up this cute lemon cupcake and a cherry cupcake. We're going to make one of each using these 2 paper pads here. Now these are from our Paper Pad Club of the Month. You get 2 paper pads each month with an option to add ephemera. You'll see it in the drop-down menu. You can choose to add the ephemera or decline. We've got Irresistible Delights, which this month's ephemera matches, and then we've got Cherry Sweets. This paper pad here has images on the inside so you can create your own ephemera. Here's a photo of the cherry card that I did in a previous video. Here's some pieces ready to go for my next card. I'll probably use them on today's card. So here are the images that you get in this paper pad. You can fussy cut them out and make some really adorable cards. Here's some more pieces that I can use on today's card. And the patterns in here are so pretty, so fun. We've got some solids in there. You get 4 of each design. That glitter is really pretty. You've got a light pink glitter, and those little tiny cherries are super cute over the tiny polka dot background. And for the Irresistible Delights, these are the cards that I previously made. So fun, all of this yellow. It's so fresh, so cute. And these cards were done using the Easy Wonder dies. Those are on pre-order right now. Special pre-order pricing for the Easy Wonder dies ends on July 15th. I'll have the link in the description box if you're interested in pre-ordering your die. The patterns are so pretty. The florals and the desserts. So pretty, and there's so many occasions that you can use these patterns for. Great for summer birthdays, invitations, thank yous, happy anniversary. All right, so let's start coloring up the 2 cupcakes. I'll use the coordinating die to cut them out. I will be coloring with my Cupcake markers today. Here are the Cupcake colors that I'll be using. I'm going to start off with our cherry, and I'm going to start off with R27. We're going to use R24 and R14. going to use a white Jelly Roll pen to add some highlights, especially to that cherry. We'll do some on the frosting. Okay, there's our cute little cupcake. Let's do the lemon one. Okay, I had a little trouble with some of my browns drying out, so I had to compromise there. So let's cut these out with the die. I've got my sentiments ready to go, so I'm gonna go prep my card bases. Okay, let's put this card together. To find all the videos in the hop, use the playlist that's in the description box. I added a little foam tape to the back of the sentiment. I want it to pop off a little bit. I'm going to use this light, darker pink from the Colors of Spring enamel dots. Alright, so that completes the first card. Alright, let's put the second card together. So don't forget you can use the hashtag to find the videos in the hop or use the playlist. I'm going to use the yellow enamel dots from the Colors of Spring. And that completes our second card. So here are our two cupcake cards. So cute. Let me know if you have a favorite down below. I hope you have fun on the hop. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!